आप बताएं।
अब लोग की मैंने वेलकम का उन्होंने उसमें ना एक कप दूध डाला
और क्या डाला?
और कच्चे पाते हैं
और दूध कौन सा डाला? ठंडा दूध डालनी है गर्म?
ठंडे से लिया और ये 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 और इसका क्या
मिक्स इट। यस।
मिक्सिंग ना
Add more custard.
and mix it.
Yes. Some more. I will add it and you will mix. Okay. Mix it. Yes. We will add sugar. What will we add? Yes. Okay. How many spoons of sugar you will add? We need. No. We need more. Yes. Add 5 tablespoons. What? Bas. It's enough. Bas. Ab mix it. Let's mix it up. Okay. Stop it. Wait for the boil. Stop it. Yes.
What we are adding?
We will add custard. Pick up that cup. Pick up that cup. Add in the mixture. I will stir it. Okay. Slowly. Yes. I will help you. Add in. Wow. Keep the cup aside. Now mix it.
Mix it.
Yes. For whom you are making this cake? Sorry, custard.
I'm making custard.
For?
For my Baba.
Okay.
Baba likes custard.
Your Baba likes custard?
Yes.
Who else likes custard? Sadi likes?
So he likes custard.
And you?
I like custard. I'm doing it.
Okay, mix it.
I'm mixing it.
Yes, add it. Wow.
La.
Okay, you want? Be careful, don't burn your. Be careful. What are you doing?
I'm making custard powder.
From here you have learned this custard powder.
On packet.
Oh, from packet?
Yes, I think from packet.
Okay. What will you add in this custard?
Some more 2 custard powder. 2 custard powders.
Okay. Now what we are going to do? We are going to assemble the custard. Mix it. Mix it. Yes. We have taken one glass. Can I help you? Can I put this custard in the glass?
Yes, put this custard on the glass.
Okay. Hold the glass. Don't create any mess. Slowly. Wow. Now we're gonna add some cake chunks.
Yes.
Add some cake.
Okay.
One more. Okay. Now again add the custard. Shall I help you? Hold it with me. Yes. Not now. Wait. You want to eat? You can eat it. There you go. Okay. Add some more cake. Okay, Fatimah. Now add. Can I add some cake?
Yes.
Yeah. And what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? You are eating the cake?
Yes.
Can I have one? Okay. Put the strawberry inside here. Like this. Wow. What is this, Fatimah? No. Tip. Okay, fine. What is this?
Custard.
For whom? This custard is for?
For
This custard is for?
mom.
Which mom? Okay, now what will we do? We'll put in the?
Fridge.
Now what will we do with the custard? Where we will put it?
And on the fridge.
In the fridge. Very good. And we will wait for Mama Papa.
Yes.
You want to share it with Sadi?
Yes. Skip it.